Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, what's up? It's time for Practical Hakka on Icrt.
Hello, 大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And this month, we are teaching you a phrase. When you can't find something or you can't find your way, you would say 找不到。找不到啦，找不到啦。
找不到什么？
找不到很多东西耶，可能是贴身的物品啦，或者是找不到路也是找不到嘛，对不对？怎么说找不到呢？
找不到。
找不到 that means can't find it. 好，那今天要教什么东西找不到？你知道最糗的是什么？你知道吗？常常什么啊？我钥匙在哪里？结果在口袋里。
我还以为你要说钱找不到了。
钱找不到，常常的事，对吧？借钱了，
没钱。
但是更糗的是那种有戴眼镜，我也有戴眼镜啊，然后明明就放在头上，
挂在头上，
找不到。对对对 ，Let's put you in a scenario where you can't find your keys or you can't find your glasses, and it's actually on top of your head, and you just don't know. OK， 所以很急的时候，对方会说：“你怎么了嘛？对不对？” OK， 你怎么了？
用板黑毛。
用板黑毛 That means what's wrong? 你怎么了 All right. And then I would say I can't find my glasses. 我找不到我的眼镜。
我找不到。
我找不到。
我的目镜。
我的目镜。目镜是目镜那样子，
对，就是
眼镜。Okay, 目镜 that's your glasses. 我找不到，找不到 we just taught you. That means I can't find my glasses.
我找不到我的目镜。
我找不到我的目镜。And let's say it's actually on the top of my head. And of course, Alice is going to look at me like I'm a fool. It's on the top of my head. 你看到在头上嘛，对不对？你一定会很傻眼，然后跟我说。
第五个跳哪档啊？
跳哪档就是头上啊。
跳哪档啊
？Okay, 跳哪档 that means on the top of my head. 原来在我头上就对了。You know, a lot of people make this mistake, you know, and I can't believe it's happening to me. A lot of times you can't find something, it's actually on you. So there you have the scenario, and let's review some of these phrases right here, such as, what's wrong with you? 你怎么了？
用板黑毛。
用板黑毛 and then your glasses, 眼镜。
目镜。
目镜 and finally on the top of your head, 在头上呢？
跳哪档？
跳哪档？跳哪就是头，档上面。Okay, and it's all about not finding something or you're trying to find something, you can't find it. And how do you say that? 找不到。
找不到。
找不到。Now you know, and hopefully you have all your personal belongings close to you and don't have to ask silly questions like me. That does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什么太嘎？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.